here we go again. Can't seem to get the sound right. Sorry. I'm going to try again. Hopefully there's no static on this one. Here's the fairy journal again. Fairies glow. I feel silly doing this again. There. Okay, start over. Cover the book, hardcover. Sorry, running out of things to say, because I've done this video a whole bunch of times. Trying to get the sound right. There's some cheesecloth that I dyed with coffee. There's the inside. This is the only part I think I painted. The rest of it is just sprayed and coffee dyed or tea dyed. I don't remember. This was done in May of 2020. We got the cheesecloth there again. Let's try to get a little closer. I'll try with that. I really hope there's no static this time. That was hard on my ears. But I apologize if you heard any of that. I've put out the video and deleted it a few times, and this is going to be my last one, and then I'll put it up and hope it works. And she keeps growing. Giant fairy. Little people. Maybe I don't think it's finished because there's so many pages here at the back that have nothing on them except spray. But I could always just glue them all together. Let me know what you think in the comments. If I post this video and it works, congratulations to me. If you would like to see me work on this book some more, let me know. I will try the video if the sound isn't horrible. We'll have some cheesecloth hanging off the edge. It's a very big book. So there you have it, my fairy journal. So thank you for watching. Hope the sound works. Hope you enjoyed this video. again. Take care. Again, sorry for the voice. Gonna go after so many videos. Thank you. I hope you enjoyed, and please comment. I'd love to read your comments and hear what you have to say. Thank you, and take care.